Ever wondered how to achieve that perfect Korean skin glow? The secret might be sitting in your kitchen cupboard. Today we're diving deep into an easy homemade face pack recipe that can help you attain that coveted crystal clear complexion. From the heart of Korean skincare secrets, we bring you a magical concoction that requires just 4 simple ingredients: cooked rice, vitamin E capsules, aloe vera gel, and glycerin. Why cooked rice, you ask? Well, this humble grain is a powerhouse of benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it brightens the complexion, soothes acne and inflammation, lends an even complexion, and even helps shrink pores. So, kick things off by adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooked rice into a bowl. Next, puncture and squeeze in the contents of 2 vitamin E capsules. When applied to the skin, vitamin E acts as a protective shield, warding off damage with its potent antioxidant properties. It's also incredibly hydrating, helping your skin absorb and trap water, and for some, it's even been shown to relieve eczema. Now add in 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. This medicinal plant is renowned for its anti-inflammatory, skin protective, antibacterial, antiseptic, and wound healing properties. It's truly a skin savior in every sense. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin works wonders in increasing skin hydration, relieving dryness, and refreshing the skin's surface. As an emollient, it softens the skin, making it a great remedy for rough or dry patches caused by eczema or psoriasis. Plus, it comes with antimicrobial properties, offering your skin an extra layer of protection against harmful microorganisms. Mix all these magical ingredients together and blend it into a smooth paste, and you've got yourself a face pack that can make your skin as glassy, bright, and soft as the perfect Korean complexion. Why not give this face pack a try? And when you do, we'd love to hear about your experience. So, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care.